Let's go shopping for crafting supplies. Oh my gosh. Does it look like we're going to be going crazy doing crafting here in the next few months? I think so. Look what we have. We have little storage containers for all the little things that we got. And look at all the beautiful pastel beads that we have. And so many beautiful things to share for so many projects coming your way. We have all kinds of glitters and little treats. And look at all these cute little things here. Little miniature butterflies and flowers and all kinds of things. Can you see how tiny they are? Oh my gosh. And that's all done in pink and white and black and gray. And this one is similar, and it's all done in silver and gray and lavender. Lots of projects coming our way. Some cute little flowers for another project. And look at this, Grandma's favorite. Pink, white, and silver. All kinds of butterflies and all kinds of little flowers and beautiful little things. Ladybugs, aren't they cute? And look at these little cherries. Everything is looking so beautiful for spring, are they not? Then these beautiful little flowers with the happy faces on them. And of course, you know how much Grandmother loves butterflies. A beautiful selection of butterflies, all different colors, and aren't they beautiful? Some beautiful little flowers with smiling faces in pink. Here's some more beautiful pastel colored flowers for another project. Spoons for another project. So many projects, I don't know where to begin or end. And like I said, we have some little molds for our little cakes. I shouldn't say cakes, probably pies. And some beautiful fabric. And all these beautiful, beautiful things. Look at the beautiful pastel pink and white flowers. The flower buttons, aren't they going to be beautiful? And these beautiful gold, yellow, and green flowers also. And more flower buttons. Oh my gosh, so many wonderful things. And then, of course, these beautiful flowers all done in pastels too. And a little bit of blue and white check ribbon and pink and white check ribbon. Oh my gosh, so many great crafts are on their way. Get ready for crafting time coming your way. I hope you're going to enjoy watching all these crafting videos coming your way. Here's some more storage bins for all the little pieces we have. We have some cute little leaves here in this package. You know how much Grandma loves gardening. A lot more navy and white check, lavender white check, and pink and white check. You know, Grandma can think of lots of projects to do with these. And some more beautiful flower buttons. You know Grandma's into flowers, as you all know. And then some more little cherries for another great little project. And another package of great cute little pink flowers. Aren't they cute? One more spoon to go with the 3 we already have. Now we have 4. Some more glitter and some more cute little things to decorate different projects with. And of course, more glitter. Can't have enough glitter or enough beads. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh yeah, let's zero in on this. Let me see if I can get it up closer. A large collection of butterflies. Now you know butterflies are one of my favorite things to have in my displays. And this is all kinds of different oranges, pinks, lavender, blues, greens, yellows. Oh my gosh, look at them all. So excited about it. More flowers. You know Grandma never can have enough flowers. And we've already showed those, so let's go to the back now. This is a mat that I don't want to open up and share, so you'll have to wait until we actually use it. We did get some molds, and we have quite a few molds that we are going to be doing lots of projects with in the future. So if you want to see what we do, you better come back and watch those crafting videos. Don't forget, all the crafting videos are over at Blossom Your Creativity, our second channel, and you are going to see some beautiful, beautiful crafting that my daughter does. You know I'm not the crafter of the family. You know that, right? My daughter is. So go over there and check it out. Occasionally Grandma will join in. Now here's a bunch of little molds and things to cut with, and I can't really show you too well on these molds, and I don't really want to mess with them too much and take them out of their containers. And this one's super cute with the trees. I can only imagine some beautiful displays with that. Well, that's what we have right at this moment. Now, we're still not done. I hope you brought plenty of tea. Maybe it's time to go get that second cup of tea, since we still have more to share. Here we go again. Here's some more things that my daughter picked up for all her crafting for the next couple of months. She got a lot of beautiful crafting molds, and I can't wait to see these projects finished. These waffle ones are as pretty as can be. The cute little chick molds I know are going to be great for Easter. And you know I love ladybugs, and it's hard to really tell, but this is a ladybug mold. I'll try to take a better picture of it. You still really can't see really what it is. And these are not my items, these are my daughter's, so I prefer not to mess with them, and I will just have to wait until she starts her projects, and we'll do another update on them. This one I really love. I'm not quite sure what she's going to do with it, but it's finished off so beautifully. I have to have at least 2 or 3 of these. Don't know what I would do with them, but you know, let her make them, and then I'll make a decision what I want to use them for. They are pretty. She got some beautiful fabric and this beautiful mold here. Now this would be great for Alice in Wonderland because of all the roses. We don't have time to do anything this year for Alice in Wonderland. We are out of time. Even though we have until next month, we really are out of time. I'm going to start filming my videos any day now, and we'll do the best we can. And I have some more molds that she has here. These have stars and half moons and different things, even though you really can't see it well. This one is beautiful, like you could finish off, make 2 sets of them, and you could do something for each corner of a book or some kind of another project. These beautiful letters finished off in foil look just gorgeous. You know how much Grandma loves flowers. So I can't wait to see how that works. And here's some more molds, and I'm not quite sure what they are either without opening them, but that's fine. We'll do it another day with my daughter's house. And here is a broken heart that will be great for next year for Valentine's. So she got a lot of great projects and great things. I cannot wait to see what she's going to put together. Don't forget to go over and check out Blossom Your Creativity. That's our second channel, and my daughter runs that channel. She does all the DIYs. Rarely does Grandma ever join in for a DIY project, but occasionally I have. But mostly 99% of them are all my daughter. I'm over here doing the fairy gardens, the gardening videos, tablescapes, and so on, and saving money challenges, and prepping the pantry, and things like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I forgot to show you what I got.